Hope you people are doing well. Welcome to today's session, children. Let us continue our lesson. Every success story is also a story of great failures. In a previous class, we read about many great personalities who have achieved success after facing lot of problems. The only secret of their success was that they never give up. In today's session, let us read about some more great personalities who are the source of inspiration for everyone. Let us start with Thomas Alva Edison. Thomas Edison was a very dull student at school. He was partially deaf. He had only 3 months of formal schooling. He was sent off the school by his teacher. His mother taught him at home. He failed 10,000 times while he was working on the light bulb. But he didn't give up his efforts and got the success finally. He was the man with a wonderful attitude. In 1914, Thomas Edison, at the age of 67, lost his factory, which was worth a few $1 million, on fire. It had very little insurance. In spite of the disaster, 3 weeks later, he invented the phonograph. He didn't lose hope at any stage of his life. According to Edison, there is great value in disaster. All our mistakes are burnt up. So, children, what an attitude! If any other person would have been in his place, he would have totally collapsed. But for Edison, it was a new lesson, and he bounced forward with a new spirit. Now, let us have another example. Henry Ford. Henry Ford was an American industrialist. He was the founder of Ford Motor Company. Henry Ford succeeded in spite of problems, not in absence of them. But to outside world, it appears as though they got just luckily. He forgot to put the reverse gear in the first car. He made it again and went broke at the age of 40. He succeeded later and reached top position in selling of cars. Next we have Ludwig van Beethoven. He was a great composer and a pianist. Though he was told that he had no talent for music, he gave some of the best music. According to Beethoven, setbacks are inevitable in life. A setback can act as a driving force and also teaches humility. Next we have Napoleon Hill. Everyone must be aware of him. He was an American author, one of the great writers on success. Napoleon Hill says, whatever the mind of a man can conceive and believe, the mind can achieve. What does it mean, children? Success, failure, win, defeat, this all depends upon the man's thinking. If one thinks that he is beaten or lost, it certainly happens. If one thinks he is outclassed, one is outclassed. He will naturally overcome all the hurdles of his life. Now we have Socrates, who is a great philosopher who is credited as one of the founder of Western philosophy. What do you mean by philosophy, children? Philosophy, in simple words, is the study of basic ideas about knowledge, right and wrong, reasoning, and the value of things. And the person who studies philosophy is called philosopher. One day, a young man asked Socrates the secret to success. Socrates told the young man to meet him near the river. The next morning, they met. Socrates asked the young man to walk with him towards the river. When the water got up to their neck, Socrates took the young man by surprise and dug him into the water. The boy struggled to get out, but Socrates was strong and kept him there until the boy started turning blue. Socrates pulled his head out of water, and the first thing the young man did was to gasp and take a deep breath of air. Socrates asked, "What did you want the most when you were there?" The boy replied, "Air." Socrates said, "That is the secret to success. When you want success as badly as you wanted the air, then you will get it. there is no other secret. Socrates suggested that the burning desire is the only secret to success. Unless we have a strong passion for something, we cannot achieve it. According to Socrates, the burning desire would be the starting point of all accomplishment. It gives the perfect and adequate motivation to achieve something. So, children, from a long time we have been talking about the great personalities who are on the top ladder of their life after facing many setbacks. Now I think you have been boosted with a burning desire to achieve your goals. So, what you are waiting for? Go ahead. So, children, I hope you people have understood this lesson. Now it's time for you to take down the home assignment. What did Socrates suggest as the secret to success? Do you agree or disagree with him? Give reason for your answer. Thank you.